DJI, take my money, take it. And if you are looking into this camera, well, this camera's better.
No! This puts this camera to shame right now. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you clicked on today's video, that means you are as excited as I am to unbox this. So today I thought I'd be unboxing something that I have seen on my For You page on TikTok literally so many freaking times. All I see is this camera going and then it's just so cinematic every time someone just uses it. And I told myself I wasn't gonna get it. I already have the Canon G7X. It works well. This camera gave me the excuse that, okay, if you're gonna try it, you need to start vlogging. You need to see what the hype is about. So today, we are gonna unbox this baby right here. She is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Whew, that was a lot to say. Anyways, look how small she is. I literally thought she was gonna be so much bigger. This is my hand. So this camera comes with the Osmo Pocket 3, a protective cover, a DJI Mic 2 transmitter, a 1/4 thread handle, a battery handle, a mini tripod, a Type-C PD cable, a carrying bag, a DJI Mic 2 clip magnet, a DJI Mic 2 windscreen, a wide angle lens, and a DJI wrist strap. So there's a lot that comes in this bundle. You can buy this separately, just the camera, without any of the extra things that come with it, but it's definitely more worth it if you just buy the combo. You're just saving way more money and you don't have to buy all the different extensions separately. So for the price of this camera, I got it for $669 at Best Buy, but with tax it was probably around like $700. I don't know if that's expensive to you, if that's not expensive, but I thought this was a pretty average price for a camera. I remember getting my Canon G7X for around that same price, so I didn't really expect it to be on the cheaper side knowing how viral it is, but they only had like 3 left, so I felt really lucky to grab this. But I was doing my research. If you want it cheaper, you can get this on Amazon for, I think it was like $469 plus tax, so it's gonna be like maybe like $480, almost $500, but you're saving $200 if you go on Amazon. But here's a little secret. If you go on Amazon, there's some times of the day where they have like a secret sale where it's like, oh, this is 40% off and you can get it at $469. And then other times of the day, it'll be like, oh, you can get this at $669. So it honestly really depends when you plan on buying it, but watch out for the sale because that's what I noticed when I bought it yesterday. But I have one coming in from Amazon, so I can go return this and get $200 back. So yeah, that's a little secret. But yeah, let's go open her. Okay, so when you open the box, this thing comes out of it. I don't know what's in here. And then we have some stickers. We love a sticker when it comes with the unboxing. We have some directions. What else do we have? A DJI forum, whatever that means. Random piece of paper. And I think more directions. I think this is holding the camera. So it comes with this. Ooh, the back quality is it. The back quality is so good. Wow. This is tiny. This could literally fit in your backpack. You could take this on the plane. This is so sleek. That is so tiny. So this is what the inside looks like. There are 3 different categories. This is the main camera. She is so tiny. I think this is the mic in the handle, and then those are the cables. Here is the camera. She's so tiny. Imagine just, hey guys. So that's the first thing in the bag. This is the battery handle. So if your camera dies out of nowhere, just plug it in and it'll start charging. This is the mic. Whoa. I don't know if you guys can see how intricate it looks inside. I think this is just an extra handle. There's another one. Oh, yep. Aw, that's cute. And then we have USB-C to USB-C. So that's the charging. And then, what is this? This is for the mic. And then you get an extra strap. Oh, there's one more thing. Oh, this is the wide angle lens. Okay, I'm gonna be so careful with this. And that's it. That's what's in the bag. And then in this box, oh, this is the case. Wow, they give you literally everything to start. This is such a great camera already, just for starters. Wow, very sleek. Oh, that's sick. So after turning the camera on and scanning the QR code, it took me to a site, and the site just showed me a tutorial video on basically how to use the camera. And then it told me to download the app called DJI Mimo. And this is the basics of everything. It shows you where can you access your clips, your profile, your camera album, and then just little tutorials on how to use it in the other cameras that DJI also has. Part of me is a little intimidated because this thing is so small, but yet there's so many complex things within it. So we shall figure this out together. So in order to use the tripod attachment, there you can screw it in like a normal tripod. You need to screw it on to the other extra handle because there's no screw on here. It's just, what do you call this? You just attach it. I literally don't know the words for this, but just insert it like that. Make sure it's clipped. And then if you want to take it out, you just tap it like that. And then I'm gonna screw this on. So it does get pretty long. Like this is pretty long already. And the camera ends there. I need a tutorial because I don't know what the heck I'm doing. This is English? Oh, right here, quick start guide. Oh, love that. I literally should have looked at this first. There's all the instructions. Okay. Swipe from left edge to enter playback. Oh, let me add an SD card that goes right there. Swipe from right edge to change image and audio parameters. Okay. Tap to switch between shooting modes. Tap to select smart gimbal mode. Face auto detect. Okay. I like that. Camera will follow face inside focus. Hey guys, that's me. Tap to check battery level. Wow, the quality of this screen is amazing. 46%. Not my SD card. Well, apparently my SD card's full, so I'm gonna put the SD card that I'm filming on right now, and y'all will see me on the DJI Osmo. Swipe from right edge to adjust exposure. You guys, I'm adjusting the exposure. Yo, that's sick. Okay. Oh my. No. Wait, I'm gonna try something. Guys, don't even mind my bed. My desk, everything is literally so messy. Let me see this. Bye! I'm gonna be so freaking for real right now. If you are hiding mess, like I am hiding mess on my bed, like let me just give you a sneak peek. Like, this camera's gonna expose the mess. So, this face tracking, this is crazy! This is insane. And it's so smooth. Bye. Bye. This is amazing. And this isn't even wide angle yet. Like, what? This is a wide angle lens. This is magnetic. So it's just gonna pop on, I assume. Did I make it wider? I don't know. Wait, okay, I'm gonna take it off again. Okay, then putting it back on. Did I make it wider? I look like I'm in a fishbowl on the screen. I can't tell. But whoa, this is dope. This is sick. This puts this camera to shame right now. And this is a good camera too. Should I try the mic, guys? I think I'm gonna try the mic.
Can you guys hear the quality? Well, let me know if the sound quality is better or if I'm screaming in the mic. Okay, I looked back at my footage. That was so freaking funny. Like, the fact that I took the mic, didn't know it was working. It was freaking working. Like, the instant transfer of sound and like how it just made things sound better. DJI, take my money, take it. This is so good. It's probably gonna look weird right now, but I changed some settings. So this is the setting D-Log M10 or something like that. So this is like a little filter. This is honestly so cool. There's two more. So this is one of them. This one is normal. I kind of like normal, but the D-Log M10 bit, that one looked a little cinematic. So that one's pretty cool. And there's one more. Sorry, I literally have to stop recording, then change it, and then start recording again just to show you guys. So there's one more. Okay, this one is called H-Log. I do not like this one. This one makes me look like I'm in a sauna, like I'm about to burn my skin off. So maybe not this one.
I just found out something super cool. But on the app, this, like if you use your phone, this could be used as a second screen. Like you are seeing what I'm seeing on my camera right now.
So after doing my whole research about this camera, there is some filters that you can buy and that you can put on the camera, and they're supposed to make it look all cinematic, make it look all cool and stuff. I plan on getting it. I saw it on Amazon. So there's some filter kits and they range from $30 to $40. So I honestly don't think that's bad. So that's a little example of the filters. I've been playing with this for the past 5 minutes, and all I can say is I cannot explain everything in this one video. Like, there's just too many things to explain, and like I can't really dumb it down because I can't really screen record as well what I'm looking at because there's just too many settings. Like, everything is just too complex. This is so sick. Overall, I am in awe. DJI Osmo did their thing. Like, I've never experienced a camera like this. I'm in shock just how small it is, how there's a gimbal, how it can follow you, how you don't have to touch the screen in order to face track like this camera. This camera is good for like point and shoot and stuff, but gosh, the mic quality, insane. I feel like usually when I film or when normal content creators film, they're loud. Like, they have to like, hey guys, like what's going on? Like, they have to be more dramatic, emphasize some of their words. And with this, I could just whisper and you could hear me. And I feel like vlogging, my vlogs are gonna be taken to the next level. Y'all are gonna come to Target with me. Y'all are gonna come to Costco with me. Y'all are gonna come with me, I don't know, everywhere, literally everywhere. I'm just gonna stick this on my shirt. People are gonna wonder what the heck I'm doing, but I am so excited. If you are looking to buy this camera, please do. Save your money. Don't buy these unless you really, really want them. Honestly, if I could go back in time and just buy the DJI Osmo and not this, I would totally get the DJI Osmo. This has its good days and it has a lot of bad days. And if you are looking into this camera, well, this camera's better. Wait, I haven't tried the camera yet, so let's try taking a picture. You probably can tell I changed the setting again, but I took the photo and the photo looks beautiful. I have no words, and that's all I'm gonna leave it at for the end of this video. And also, if you do go and buy it, don't forget an SD card, because the people at Best Buy did not know what they were talking about. They did not know that I needed an SD card, but because I did my research, I bought the SD card. And I got the 128 gig. I know there's other things that are way bigger. You could get like the terabyte one. I only need this one. You don't need a crazy amount. This was like 20 bucks. Pretty affordable for an SD card. So yeah, just don't forget to buy that. And you honestly don't need much accessories because it comes with it. And literally the only thing that I plan on buying next is just the filters. You could probably see throughout the video, I was just so excited to see how this camera works, and it works wonders. And I really hope you get it. But I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
Can you hear me? Is the mic working? Hello? Are you there? Dude, this is so much better than your other camera. Yo, that's kind of cool.